Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. You know, sometimes when you're trenching, you're digging, even with a shovel, even when the area has been located, you could cut a gas line. So here's a real simple way to make that repair. You do need to call 911, and what they do is they send out the fire truck, and then they'll call the gas company and come out. But if you've got a little bit of knowledge and you pick up this fitting, it's called a stab fitting. You could make this repair yourself.
Hey, good morning, Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a gas line. If you have to do it yourself, you know, it's really not that hard to do. Of course, usually the gas company will take care of that. This is a plastic gas line, 3/4 of an inch. Let's just say that you've been digging or trenching and you actually cut the pipe. You can see this is an old piece that we cut one time. And this is how you repair it. Basically, you've got a bad end here. We're going to go ahead and trim that off. We're going to use these cobalt cutters because they make a nice clean cut. Real nice clean cut right there. And the way this is done is you're using what's called a stab fitting. This is going to join these two pieces of pipe together. By most codes, you need to make a measurement and mark this with a felt tip pen, and this is called a stab fitting. And basically it's kind of like a shark's tooth if you've ever done any plumbing and had to repair it. This is going to slide inside of here all the way up to a mark that you make, and that'll just lock in place. But first we have to make the mark, and then we have to trim the end of this off. We have to shave that off, and there's a special tool that we use to do that. And that's done with this tool right here. This has a little razor inside. This is 3/4 of an inch outer diameter. Slide it all the way in and start to twist it. Keep pressure on it, keep twisting it, and you can see it just starts to peel it off. This will help it slide right into the coupling and make a very tight fit. Nice and trimmed off. You can see it's not flared, it's the opposite way. This will allow it to slide right into our stab fitting. Find your mark. We've got to slide it clear up to that mark. Okay? We have to push against me, so. Right up to the mark. We're all the way in. Let's double check it by pushing it down. There we have a stab fitting for your gas line. This is very secure. No gas can leak. Remember that little mark has to be right at the edge of your stab fitting for it to pass inspection. But that's how you fix a gas line. Real simple. If you have to do it yourself, this fitting costs about $17. You will need to get some pipe, because when you cut that, you can see we had this taped off, but this pipe's damaged. You're going to need a little bit more pipe to make your connection. Usually I put two of them on one side of the trench, the other on the other. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.